Today I'm going to show you how to make this chocolate ganache tart with North Bay raspberries. Always start by rinsing your fruit and wash your hands. For the crust, I like to use shortbread cookies. Pecan shortbread's my favorite, and you just grind them into crumbs. To the crumbs, we're going to be adding a half a stick of melted butter. Once the crumb butter mixture is blended, just put it in a spring-form pan. I like to use a heavy bottom measuring cup. Makes it nice, flat, and even. Once you're done, pop it in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes until it's golden brown. While the crust is in the oven, we're going to start the ganache. I use 1.5 cups of heavy cream, medium-high heat, and we're going to start looking for the little bubbles on the side of the pan. Do not let it boil. When the crust is ready, set it aside to cool, and we're going to keep working on the ganache. I use 3 12-ounce chocolate bars. Different percentages of cocoa is nice for an added flavor. Pour your hot, heavy cream over the chocolate. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. To make the ganache, you're going to take a whisk and start whisking the chocolate heavy cream mixture together. And in a couple of minutes, you're going to have magic. Look at that ganache. So creamy. Pour the chocolate ganache over the crust and pop it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours to let it cool. To the cooled ganache, I will add warmed raspberry jam. Make a nice coating on top so that you can stick the raspberries to it. Now the fun part, we're going to add the North Bay raspberries. Start in the middle and start layering your raspberries to the outer corners of the pan and put as many raspberries on that chocolate as possible. Once you have all the raspberries in, you're going to use the remaining raspberry jam and just cover up those raspberries with the raspberry jam to give it a nice glaze. Release your spring-form pan. And there you have it, guys. Look at that beautiful dessert. The raspberries are so pretty on top of the chocolate ganache. Like chocolate heaven.